Good morning students. A warm welcome to the IT class. In the last session we have learnt about animation. In this session we will study about steps to show animation in a presentation. Steps to show animations in a presentation. To add animations to a presentation, follow these steps. Select the images that need to be animated. In this case, we want all the images to be displayed one by one in the correct order. So we select all of these. On the Animation tab, click the Add Animation option. We will be presented with 3 animation options as mentioned below. Entrance animation. This helps us choose how an object appears on a slide. Emphasis animations. This helps us decide what happens to the object when it is already on the slide. Exit animation. This helps us decide how an object leaves a slide. Select the Fly in option. If we click on the animation pane, a new panel opens up which shows all the available animation options. The object that has been animated will have a small number next to it. Use the arrows to change the order of objects in the animation pane. Here we want to sequence the images such that they fly in one after the other. The first picture will be displayed on clicking the mouse. Then the next image will be displayed. In this way, all the subsequent objects will be placed one by one after the previous image is displayed. Now we can preview our slides. Press F5 on the keyboard. Modify the values in the duration box to speed up or slow down an animation. The order of animations can also be changed. We can add multiple animations to a slide. Let's add the emphasis animation called Pulse to all the images. To remove an animation effect, follow these steps. Select the number that appears next to the object whose animation we want to remove. Press the delete key on the keyboard or right click and select remove. It is recommended that animations and sounds be used minimally in a presentation. The main focus should be on the content being presented and not on the animation. Transitions. To move from one slide to another during a PowerPoint presentation, a special effect called transition is used. This effect can be customized by controlling the speed at which slides are presented. The Transitions tab has 3 types of transitions as mentioned below. Subtle. This comprises simple effects to move between the slides. A presentation with a few subtle transitions looks fairly professional. Exciting. These effects are more complex in nature than the subtle transition. However, if used in moderation, they can bring a professional appeal to the presentation. Dynamic content. When 2 consecutive slides have a similar layout, we can use the dynamic transition. Using this layout, the previous slide's contents can be replaced by the next slide's contents. Transitions can make a presentation look polished. They should be used in moderation. A presentation full of transitions can be distracting for the audience and takes away the focus from the main content. To apply a transition, select the desired slide from the slide navigation pane. The selected slide will appear after the transition. Click the Transitions tab and select a transition that best suits your need. Scroll to see more options. Select the transition to be applied. This will automatically preview the transition. You can also preview the transition by selecting Preview. To increase or decrease the duration of the transition, modify the transition time. To add sound to the slides, select the slide to which sound is to be added. Select the type of sound from the drop-down menu. Using sounds in all slides of the presentation can be distracting. Hence, sounds should be used in moderation. To make all the slides in the presentation transition in the same way, click Apply to All. To change the direction in which a slide transitions, select the slide, select a transition and then select Effect options. The Advanced Slide option lets us move between the slides automatically after a time interval or move to the next slide with a mouse click. I hope you all understood step to show animation in a presentation. In the next session, we will be studying about adding hyperlink. Thank you.